Good morning, good morning, good morning. What's up, excuse me. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Day Trade with Zay. My name is Isaac, and today is Tuesday, March 15th. And sorry, I'm still working on a little bit of my trade journal from yesterday. Fell asleep real early yesterday. But you could see yesterday we had a breakthrough, right? Price consolidated for a little bit, creating a lower low, pushed up, rejected the IOC, which then caused it to go ahead and break below this resistance to support from the Ukraine-Russia war day one from 224. Now, price consolidated again overnight throughout the Asian session before dropping and creating another lower low, right? Lower than these lows. But price is pushing up to the upside now. It's kind of broken this high right here that was created. So I think we could see, a possible push up to the upside, truthfully. So let me just go ahead and give you some insight. So we do have this resistance to support area, right? We also have these areas here, but I really don't want to focus on those. I want to keep these, we'll keep these to yesterday. I kind of want to just draw a clear picture right now. So what I see is I see this high being broken, or this high being broken here by this high. And you can see it's kind of rejected this area here, or this line right here that we had. And this is from, it looks like just a support level that was created right here, right? Boom, boom, boom. And we can see it's been rejecting. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw my fib. Well, first and foremost, we know overall, I think we're still in a downtrend. But let's draw our fib from here. Most recent high to the most recent low. Just so we know, 62% is around this area. So this is going to be key for us. Even though there's nothing right here, I just want to let it be known that 62% is right there, okay? So we could do something like that. But for the most part, I see a break of structure to the upside. While it might be small, I still see a break of structure to the upside, right? I see a clean ILC right here, along with in this support to resistance level, right? So we see this support to resistance right here. Something like that, right? So we see this support to resistance right here along with this golden zone ILC. So this is something I'm going to be looking to buy from. And we could see something like, I mean, there's the 15-minute chart, right? So let's just call it like this. I mean, I wouldn't want to do a 62 or 65 pip ILC, but I think that really is kind of what it's showing, right? So we could see something like that, but let's go ahead and go into the smaller time frames. Let's go to the 5-minute. Yeah, it's not so clear, right? And what do we have it rejecting is this 5-minute ILC right here at 50%. So we could actually see the sell-off right here. I think I like the sell more than anything. We can see that this area is being respected clearly. Turn that green, 50%, right? So I actually like the sell-off from here more. Because I think on the higher time frames, and you can see it's already kind of pushing down. So hopefully we get a retest. And we could have, let's just call it a 33 pip ILC. Have this thing push down to these levels right here. And we got a 1-to-3 risk reward ratio, which isn't bad, right? So I think I like this trade a little bit more just because of there's a lot of bullshit right here and it's not so clear, right? There's not a clear IOC right here. What I consider an IOC is something like this. Even though it takes 2 to get there, I consider that an IOC. This one right here is a clean IOC. But when this mix right here, yeah, we got one right here, but it looks like there's a lot of madness right here, so kind of want to stay away from that. But I like this sell-off right here at this level. So what I'm going to wait for, and I know yesterday I said, all right, I'm going to wait for this zone to be hit. When this zone gets hit, I'm going to go ahead and put it in, and I fucked up. I was talking to my wife about it. Like, I really do need to work on my patience. I need to work on my discipline, my execution. And, truthfully, it doesn't start here on the charts. It starts outside of that. So, discipline is key, and I know it's something that I have to work on. as a, first as a human being, and then, I think that'll translate over into the charts after the fact. So, yeah, I just think that it's something that can happen. It should happen. We also have a clean ILC right here. Small one, but it's clean. Is there a 3-minute ILC at that level? One. Yeah, it's all right there. Yeah, I do like this ILC too. It's basically golden zone ILC, right? You can see it there. Now we just wait. I mean, I like this first one originally, and truthfully, I think it could break down below here. I think it could push at least to these levels. And let's go to the higher time frames. So higher time frames, we've seen that it broke below this level, right? And it's a key level, and check this out. Wow, I had something right here. What is this? Where's this from? Obviously something I thought that was important enough to bring out that way. Oh, couple rejections there. The previous golden zone ILC that had been respected, right? And it was respected again overnight. Let's go to a bigger time frame real quick. So these levels are finally being hit, right? What's crazy is I drew these out a long time ago. These are from the pandemic, I believe. Oh, well, close to, yeah, pandemic, November 2020. I drew out these ILCs, and I thought they would be hit. 4-hour 79 ILC at a discount, 4-hour golden zone ILC. So we're not, I mean, we're 2,000 pips away, but we're not, I mean, we're 1,000, 1,200 pips away from this area right here. Price is sitting right, well, rejected this area right here. But it broke these levels, right? So now I think it's trying to aim for here. But let's see, I mean, maybe we have a turnaround at this point. I don't think so, just because of what's going on with the world right now. But it's very possible. I hope it gives us another opportunity to hop into this trade at open, truthfully. What do you think, Johnny? You see anything on here that you like? Any buys, any sells, any levels that you take profit at? Let me know, man. Let me see. Let me see here, Forex Factory, see if there's any news coming out. Oh, so PPI did come out at 5:30. Where's 5:30? Right there at 5:30, we got a small push, 1380 up to the zone. About 100 pips, right? Close to 100 pips, hit the zone. So, I mean, let's see. Hopefully it gives us another entry. It's about 33 pips in the profit already. But you can see it's kind of rejecting right here, right? So maybe we see a bounce. We're about 5 minutes out from open. Hopefully we see the push up really quick. Off of this level here, back into our zone, we could take the sell and then ride this thing down. So where is this ILC from? This ILC is from, man, this is from March 2021, March 31st, 2021. So, I mean, realistically, it took about a year to get back here, right? Realistically, it took about a year to get back from here. Golden zone ILC from 03, 31, 21. I mean, we can't deny that it didn't come back down to this level. So, okay. So you like the sell at 296? I think that's the golden zone one, huh? Let me see. See what you're on. Let me check it out real quick. To the 15-minute. $296. Oh, so you think it comes up here to this ILC at the 79%? Yeah, you could be right. I mean, we've been seeing a lot of these trades, right? 79%. Which one was another 7? I think this was actually another 79% right here too, if I'm not mistaken. Let me see. I've been noticing that a lot of these trades have been coming up to the 78.6% and rejecting there. Let's see. Well, that's 70. Yeah, I mean, it's possible. We could draw it out right there. I think it's definitely possible to come up to this level before reacting and falling. And you can see a rejection off the 5-minute 20 EMA. We'll see if it gives us that. Shit, where I'm at. There we go. 79%. Like to make these purple. So about 2 minutes out. Let's see. I mean, I think price is going to tell us where it's going to react from. The reason I like this place is just because we've seen the rejections already. I think it's still possible to push up, like you said, to this level or even this level, because we have seen a lot of 79% rejections. And you know what? Yeah, there's a lot of IMGs to fill right here, right? A whole lot of IMGs to fill. So everything's been filled here, right? Now it has to come up and fill these IMGs and then these IMGs. So it's very possible. Very possible. So let's see what it gives us. I mean, if this fully engulfs this candle right here, right before open, I think there's a good chance it could push up through it. Alright, 6:29, about a minute till open. Let your nuts hang. Alright, let's see. It's definitely pushing up. Get my charts up. You look good, but your baby daddy broke, bitch. Got about 15 seconds here. Fully engulfing it now, right? I don't like that in terms of that could have been the 1 minute too. No, just that. Another rejection. Alright, it's go time. Let's see what the market gives us. It's definitely pushing up. I don't have any trades in yet. Nothing yet, but let's see. Big rejection right there. About 20 seconds left. No trades in yet. Definitely getting pulled up to the upside. Let's see here. Definitely looks like it wants to push up, breaking through that ILC. See how this candle finishes right here. Still got about 20 seconds. I like that rejection. Let's see. Nothing yet. Okay, I put a little sell in right now. I like the way it's rejecting that, right? So, got a little, I don't like that. Yeah, don't like that at all. That was a quick push down and then a quick push up, and now it looks like it's pushing up. I'm going to get out of that before I mess myself up, I think. But, let's see. Yeah. Let me hop out of there. So lost $63 on that trade. See what it gives us right here. Now it's pushing up. That was a good juke, and it was real quick the way it happened too. Right? It gave me a little. It gave me some hope that it was coming down, and boom, it was pushed up off on top of it. So that was nice. I like that. Got my ass. I lost about 20 pips, about $63. Oh, that'd be 21 pips. $21 pips. I think you might be right. It's gonna head into one of these two zones right here. So let's see. Oh shit. No way. Shit. I just put another sell in because of that. Whoa. Now it has to break through it because that's the same level it rejected off of, right? This level here, resistance to support, right? Resistance, resistance, support. Don't know if I like it though, just because it's still rejecting it, right? A lot of strength, but I'm in there. I actually got two positions, one at 93 and one at 85. I think I'm gonna move my top position to break even right now. Yeah, it's still rejecting that, using it as a support level, right? Price isn't really breaking through that necessarily, along with the 20 EMA. Oh shit. Mother sucker. Got my ass. I mean, we'll see now. It looks like it's gonna push up, but let's see. Well, see if it can hold its weight. Yeah, I'm gonna close my bottom position. Close that. Right about last 9 seconds. I'd like to see it turn bearish. Hopefully it could turn bearish right here. I don't know. And it's not breaking through that motherfucker, dog. Damn. Let's see. Wow, it's not doing it. Something about this resistance to support level right here, right? It's really respecting the shit out of it. But I'm still holding. Oh. Now I'm moving everything to break even, no doubt. No ifs, ands, or buts about it. Wow. And about to get stopped out at break even, I think. Damn, got real close there. Let's see. Let's see if it can hold its weight. Man, still, yeah, I think it's gonna push up. Might as well close some profits, recoup some of those losses. See how this candle finishes. See if it breaks it. At least to here, right? Oh shit. Oh shit. Can't get too satisfied too quickly. Still rejecting the 20 EMA on the 5-minute. I'm gonna secure some profits right now, just so I can get back into break even. So I was down 63, it just closed $74 or 0.02. That got me to $11 in profit for the day. And now we got a 0.04 floating, and let's see what it gives us. I like that it's using this as somewhat as a resistance level, but it has to fall down now, right? Because it can still reject that. Alright. We are up about 55 pips. Another big rejection off of that 20 EMA. This is big. This is a big moment for it, right? Because it has to just fall. If it continues to push up and break through, then it's going to come up, right? Because you can see the 5-minute 20 EMA being respected. But it looks good, right? 26 seconds left. I'd like to see it fully engulf this candle and this candle. But look at the rejection, right? So we're up about 45 pips. Everything's moved to break even. And let's see if it can at least push down to our zone right here. Last couple seconds here. I want to see it fully engulf this. Come down to here would be nice. Got close. Now we might see it push up. Damn. Still has to reject this and come down, but let's see. See if it can hold its weight down. There's still 34 seconds left in this candle, right? So it could still push up easily. But let's see if it falls the way we want it to. Just come down. Key level right here. Let's see. I mean, the 5-minute looks great. It just has to break the 20 EMA that it's respecting right here. See, 12 seconds left and it's moving back up. Okay. Still hasn't broken it though, right? So let's see. Up about 62 pips on the bottom level. I like it. I have a 0.01 that's just kind of floating right here, my bottom position. I'm going to close that, $61, right? So now I'm up $71 for the day. Got a 0.03 in there with another 200 pips floating. It's moving the way we want it to move. Let's just see if it can get there, right? Close position. It's looking nice. This is a key level right here. The 5-minute EMA is crossing. Let me go ahead and show you. I think I'm going to take some profits at the 5-minute EMA. So it's approaching right now, along with this ILC. That's the 5-minute 50 EMA right there. About 90 pips we're up right now, 88. Kind of want to pull some profits because I know we're in somewhat of an uptrend, right? So it could reject this 5-minute 50 EMA. Easy, right? See if it can get this push down. Okay. See, a little bit of respect being shown, right? I'm going to close another 0.01, 86 pips. That's going to put me at 156 for the day. Now we have a 0.02 runner. And, you know, let's see. We're up about 150, 160. So about 80 pips, close to it. Damn. It could definitely reject this trade right here. There's still 30 seconds left on this 5-minute candle. Right, so it's rejecting it cleanly. The 15-minute looks nice, right? But we know with the 15-minute we could just see it push up because remember, we did see somewhat of a break of structure right here, right? Because price did this. I'm hoping that price comes down to at least this level here, so then we could take our profits, and I think it could truly actually come down to this level. But, you know, we're still in a downtrend, but you never know. Price could go up, you know, just be retracing and then push back up to either this area or this area before it falls. And look at that. I mean, let's see. That was a big push up right there that just started. Boom. Let's see if we could continue this downtrend down. Looks like it has some force to the upside though, which I don't like. I like that. But still 10 seconds to go. Let's see if it can engulf this candle right here. Still gives it hope to push up. Go. Let's see if it can break through it. This is key for it to break through it, right? Okay. Let's see here. Remember, 100 pips ain't nothing to sneeze at, right? You catch 100 pips, that's a great day. Still hasn't broken it necessarily, right? Yeah, still hasn't done it. Damn. See how it's rejecting it? I don't like that. Don't like it at all. I mean, we hit 100 pips, but let's see. Yeah, it's not giving it the strength that I wanted to. Damn. 10 seconds. Yeah, I don't like that. It's a big push up off of the 50 EMA again. I'm gonna close my positions. Let's see. I mean, let's see if it breaks it. And I like it, but there's still 38 seconds left, which I don't like. And it's still respecting it and rejecting it. I just closed another 0.01 just to get me that extra, dollars right there. I think there's a chance it could reject this again and push up to the upside. But, hopefully I'm wrong. Looks like I might be wrong, actually. Damn, still rejecting that motherfucker, man. Wow. Yeah, that thing's going up. I'm going to close my other position. Even if it does come down, fuck it. You know what I mean? I think there's a good chance it pushes up from here. We had a break. It's the 5-minute 50 EMA that it's showing so much respect to over the past, 6:49. So about 7 minutes, it's been showing a real strong amount of respect to this ILC, or to this EMA with the ILC, right? Never really broke the ILC right here either. And now I think it could push up to the upside and possibly hit all of this up to up. So I think the most I caught was like 93 pips. Something like that. Let's see. 91 pips. I mean, and it's key for it to reject here. It really is. It's what I got to get better at being patient at. And it looks good, 24 seconds left. But after the last, few days where I fuck up, just got to go up my gut. So I was able to secure about 328 for the day. Um, you know, wasn't everything I hoped for, but we'll take it. That's with that $63 loss in the morning. So let's see here. I just want to see how it kind of plays out to fruition. We're able to hop in on there, Johnny. Did you catch the trade? Yeah, that thing's pushing up a bit. Now you can see tweezer bottom. There's a good chance it could push up from here, especially the way this 5-minute finished. I mean, there's still a lot of time here on this 5-minute, but you can see the push that it has. And it looks like it's kind of just creating higher highs and higher lows, right? This key right here, support, resistance. Looks like it's kind of rejecting it. There you go, good shit. Yeah, I mean, I think it could push up from here, so I'm kind of, I think I practiced some patience holding it through all this bullshit and then kind of just seeing what it was doing, looking at the charts. Um, but I mean, yeah, look, it's moving up right now. So I think there's a good chance it makes it up to this ILC. I mean, it could reject right here again. You know, 1, 2, 3, another one up here. Or it could reject right here, you know, but I think there's a good chance it pushes up just because of this 5-minute candle here. There's still 2 minutes and 10 seconds, but it has to break through this right here. You could see there's a clear level of support, and you could see there's a clear rejection right here as well at the same level. So it has to break through there, but I mean, it could just be a quick retracement up to the EMA before it falls down, right? Look at that. This would be a good re-entry if you missed the trade up here. I mean, I wouldn't take it just because I think it could push up here, and I don't want to mess up the profits that I already got. But, you know, if you missed the trade here, this would be a good re-entry to jump in and get a sell to the downside. Unless it breaks up on top, and then you could use it as a support and then push up to the upside. Right? So, yeah. Let's see what it does. I just want to see what it does. It's still early. We only 23 minutes, right, of trading. So let's see. Looks like it's rejecting it, right? 2 seconds to go. Still a clear rejection. I mean, it looks like it's going to push up, but it could still come through to the downside, right? Like that. Just like that. Still 30 seconds. But see, that's where I say, you know, that's a good re-entry. Is when it comes back up, retest this area. IOC, 50 EMA. Even though it's just a 1 minute, might be a 3 minute. No, it's just a 1 minute, right? That'd be a good area to start. Boom. And then you could see if it comes down from here and reaches our take profit. Just have to see at that point though. This is 91. See, and I think it knows exactly what it's doing right here. You probably got people putting in sells, and it's kind of scaring them, spooking them, probably stopping them out. A lot of people probably have their stop loss just above these wicks, right, to keep it tight. But yeah, it looks like, you know, it's playing with people for sure, because it be playing with me. I know that. Definitely kind of slowed down here though. And now it's making its way up. 17 seconds left. And that's usually what it does, right? The last 17 seconds. Opening of the 5-minute candle. Let's see how this 5-minute candle finished. Definitely looks like it's pushing up. Definitely looks like it's pushing up. Still could reject right. Still could reject right here, but all intents and purposes, it looks like it's kind of making its way up. Yeah, I think it was a pretty solid trade overall. You know, trusting that the level was hit and respected. Took a little loss, right? You want to keep your losses small. And then once we seen that price was, once we seen that price was kind of rejecting it again, gave us this tweezer top. That's really what did it for me, was this tweezer top. I seen the tweezer top, seen the next candle kind of come down, right? And I entered that just because I seen what it did here. After I seen this tweezer top, I knew that there's a good chance it could fall down. Now you can see it's making its way back up. And see, I would have been pissed if I held on to my trade and came back up, stopped me out. Because that's what happened multiple times yesterday. I was up 300 bucks, and then price just came back up, reversed on me, broke even. And we had a bunch of those yesterday before it ultimately went to our level, which I said I was going to wait for, and took that fall off. Right, boom, took the fall off and was able to catch only 139 of the possible 300, but you know, whatever. Yeah, it looks like this thing's making its way up. Yeah, I don't know. I don't think I'd take this trade right here, just because I feel like it has to get up to the next level, right? Create up here and then maybe make its way down. We'll see. Well, good shit today, bro. Appreciate you for tuning in like always, man. Thank you. And you know, tomorrow, I think it is a big day tomorrow. So today we had a PPI come out, worse than expected. Core PPI, worse than expected. Everything was a little bit worse than expected today, right? And then tomorrow we have a big day. Core retail sales at 5:30. Import prices. Then we have FOMC economic project. Oh, you know what? Tomorrow is a big day because they're gonna raise the interest rate, and you could see previous it was always under 0.25%. Now it's looking like they're going to raise it to, I forgot what it was, the increments, but it's a big day tomorrow. So I'd rather, instead of trading at 11 a.m., I'd rather get in and get out at open, because I think we possibly see a big drop. So it's a big day tomorrow. And we might see consolidation until open tomorrow, you know what I mean? Or until 11 a.m. tomorrow, but we'll see what the market gives us. But it's a really big day, and we'll see how the market plays us. But appreciate you for tuning in, bro. All we needed was 30 minutes today. You know, didn't make the dollar amount that I wanted, but I hit my target, hit my goal, 90 plus pips, so I'll take it. I hope you have a good one, dog, and catch you tomorrow.